Welcome back again. Today we're going to be making a Lebanese Fattoush salad. So stay tuned and let's do this because I am excited. Okay, I'm chopping up some fresh mint. I'm going to need about 1 tablespoon of this fresh mint. So I'm going to chop it up. Okay, I'm going to put my mint in. Okay, I got my bowl of mint. So let's start making the rest of our sauce. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of sweet red chili pepper. Okay, guys, we're using our Be Sure to Season Seasoning Blend. And if you want to purchase this, you can go on BeSureToCook.com or Amazon and pick you up a bottle. Half a teaspoon of Be Sure to Cook seasoning. Be Sure to Seasoning Blend. I need 2 teaspoons of Sumac. Look it up, Sumac, and you get it. I need 2 teaspoons of it. That's 1. And I'm going to measure out. There's my 2. I'm going to use a teaspoon of fresh chopped garlic, 1/4 cup of olive oil. Get the ones for salads, it's better, of olive oil. Okay, I'm cracking some fresh black pepper. I'm adding a couple pinches of salt to taste. Okay, I'm going to need about 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemons. This is my 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. And we're going to sit this in the refrigerator and we're going to start preparing our salad. I got some purple cabbage, a little purple cabbage. And I'm going to cut this purple cabbage thin, very thin. So I'm going to throw the cabbage in here. Okay, I've got radishes that I've cut and cleaned, and I'm going to cut these. I like my radishes kind of thin on the thin side too. Now I'm going to just dice them up a little bit. Or you can use them, leave them round. Okay, those radishes are going straight with the purple cabbage. Okay, I've got some good old parsley that I'm gathering up. Okay, and I'm just going to chop it all up. Parsley into the big bowl. Nice and chopped finely. I've got a cucumber, baby cucumber. I'm going to cut each tip off of them. Then I'm going to start slicing the cucumber. Then I'm just going to dice it up. Or you can just block it however you want. Cucumber going in, all nice and chopped and diced. I got my white sweet onion. I got Roman tomatoes, and I got green onions that I've already rinsed and dried off. And now I'm ready to cut these and finish putting it into the salad that we're going to make. Okay, they're really thin. I'm going to just run my knife over them a little bit. Okay, really thin onion. Oop, yes. And I'm going to do the same thing with my green onions. I'm just slicing these thin. Okay, just a little of that. Not a lot, just a little enough to make that salad pop. All right, I have my tomato. Okay, look at that tomatoes again. This is a whole one, but if you think you need more, you can use 2 or 3. Depends on how big your salad's going to be. This is romaine lettuce. So I'm just going to roll up my romaine lettuce. And I'm going to cut it like I do my greens. And I'm just going to slice it. You know it. Okay, now I got my lettuce. It's going down in there. Don't forget, guys, this is romaine lettuce. Okay, this is the dressing that we made for our salad. Okay, it's been sitting in the refrigerator for about an hour. You can do it for 30 minutes or an hour. I think an hour really, make your dressing first. Put that in the refrigerator. An hour will really set in all those flavors. Okay, we're going to pull a little bit of our dressing. Got some tongs because I want to make sure everything gets incorporated very well. I'm just going to work it. Yeah, I think this is going to be just fine. I'm going to get all that together. Just use a little bit, and if you need more, you can just pour a little more in there. Okay, guys, this is my Lebanese Fattoush salad, and here it goes. If you need more dressing on yours, you can put it, but you really don't need just about as much. I still got some left in here. I didn't use it all. You really don't need it. Let's plate this up, guys. Okay, let's taste this. This is great for people that are, want to go on like a little health food kick there. Let's try this. This salad is delicious. I wanted to keep eating my salad, but I had to end the show. I'm gonna tell you, this salad is so good if you make it the way I made it. It'd be really good with like baked fish, fried fish, maybe a catfish or a cod. I mean, this would be really good with some seafood. Hey guys, I didn't make this fattoush salad alone. You and me, we did this, and we can make plenty more. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.